Hello guys, today we're taking a closer look at the UGREEN Studio Pro, a pair of over-ear headphones that really starts to shine once you use them in real everyday life. At first, they feel good, but after a few days, you realize they're the kind of headphones you naturally keep reaching for without even thinking about it. One of the biggest strengths is the comfort. The soft ear cushions and balanced headband design make them easy to wear for hours, whether you're watching movies, listening to long playlists, or sitting through work calls. There's no annoying pressure or soreness that some over-ear headphones cause over time. Sound quality is another highlight because the Studio Pro delivers a well-rounded and consistent audio experience. No matter what you're listening to, acoustic music, pop tracks, podcasts, or cinematic soundtracks, the tuning feels balanced. The bass has depth and weight, but it doesn't overpower everything else, so vocals stay clear and natural, which is perfect for both entertainment and calls. The headphones also offer strong passive noise isolation, meaning they block a surprising amount of background noise just through their design, even without active noise cancellation. That makes them great for commuting, travel, or busy workspaces where you want your audio to feel more immersive. Bluetooth performance is smooth and dependable, with stable connections and no frustrating dropouts when moving around. Plus, the battery life is impressive, lasting through long days without constantly worrying about charging. With responsive on-ear controls and an easy, no-fuss experience, the UGREEN Studio Pro feels like a reliable everyday companion for music, calls, and media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.